South Korea is facing severe economic fallout from the COVID-19 pandemic, highest job losses since the global financial crisis, mostly from service industries which require human contact. Eum Ji-young delves deeper into this issue.
With consumers staying home because of the virus, one restaurant owner in Seoul says she had to reduce the number of workers at her restaurant.
Before the outbreak, we had 10 to 12 employees at the restaurant, but these days there's only 5 people, including myself.
An expert says labor costs take up about 16% of a restaurant's total expenses, but as rent and food costs are not adjustable, owners inevitably end up laying off staff instead.
More than 2 million people work in the food and service industry, and about 30% of workers are non-regular staff. So about 600,000 people are currently facing job insecurity.
South Korea lost 195,000 jobs last month, the largest year-on-year drop in almost 11 years. And the service sector, which requires face-to-face interaction, saw the biggest drop in jobs. 168,000 jobs were lost on year in the wholesale and retail industries. The restaurant and lodging sector saw a fall of 109,000 jobs last month. The number of people who are temporarily out of work also hit a new record of about 1.6 million people last month, and 1/3 of them were in those service industries. South Korea's educational service sector was also hit hard by the outbreak. Private educational institutes, or hagwon, were advised to close temporarily as part of social distancing efforts. An owner of a private institute in Seoul says classes have been halted since late February, and the teachers at the institute have been on unpaid leave.
Many hagwons are considering shutting down because of the direct hit to sales. Our institute have reduced teacher numbers by 1/3 as the COVID-19 outbreak is expected to continue.
He said stringent qualifications and complicated procedures make it difficult for business owners to get support from the government. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.